We're looking at ACs today, from small to medium to large. Is bigger always better? I don't know. When do we find out? We're looking at ACs today, baby, from the smallest to the biggest, and we're gonna find out what unit size is perfect for your home. So Juan, why does it even matter? Aren't they all the same thing?
They're not all the same thing. So we're looking at energy, right? Efficiency. How much is it costing me to run this air conditioner? The comfort levels in my home. How comfortable am I? And lastly, wear and tear on that air conditioner. How much is it costing me to repair this thing in the lifespan of that air conditioner?
So let's do it, guys. Let's take a look at the top 3 most common AC unit sizes out there and which one's perfect for your home.
All right, let's start with the smallest air conditioner out there, your 2-ton. 2-ton air conditioner varies anywhere from 900 to 1,700 square foot home. The medium air conditioner out there is about 2.5 to 3 ton. That is the most popular, between 18 to 2,000 square feet. Lastly, the biggest air conditioner out there is a 5-ton. Those are going to be your way bigger homes, 4,000 to 5,000 square feet.
So you're probably saying, okay, Fiend, I know the sizes now, but which one's right for my home? Do I get the small one? Do I get the medium one? Do I get the large one? Is there other factors that play a part into it?
Yes, there is. So we're going to look at your ceiling height. Do you have 8-foot ceilings, 10-foot ceilings, 20-foot ceilings, 25-foot ceilings? The second thing we're going to look at is your windows. Are your windows 20, 30 years old, single pane, double pane, triple pane? And obviously, how many windows are in the home? Okay. The third thing we're going to look at is the year the home was built. We know that the newer the homes, the better they're insulated, right? So that plays a big factor into it. Lastly, another thing we need to look at is your ductwork. Is your ductwork properly sized and installed, and any leakage? Okay. Once we do all that, we're going to do something called a manual J. With that manual J, it's going to tell us specifically what we need for your home. We're going to add all those things in there, then we're going to get the right AC for your home. To summarize, choosing the right size air conditioner for your home. It's going to be more efficient, you're going to be more comfortable, and you're going to have less wear and tear. Now, if you don't want to listen to me, then what's going to happen is you're going to have higher energy bills, you're going to have way less comfort, and it's going to break on the hottest day of the summer, and your whole family is going to be telling you, I told you so. You should have went with Peak.
I know that was a lot of information. I hope this video helped. If it didn't, you can go visit our website, peakheatingcooling.com. We have a lot of good stuff there too. You can read our blogs. We work very, 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 very hard to write those. If you still can't find any answers, you can call Peak. And if Peak doesn't answer, you can call me at
Your top speed kind of breed.
That was good, right? That was good. That was good.